Hello, and welcome to this video where I will be demonstrating the website that my group and I built for CSC-483. Our project was called LiveStock, and here I'm going to show you the website. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour. I am already logged in, so as you can see, it gives you the message here. And the first thing I'd like to show is sort of the profile system here. So there's a couple of different things you can do. You could log out or view your account. And this is where this is different from the profile. This is just where you would make some simple changes like your display name. You can change your privacy settings or delete your account. Or here is where you could edit your profile. So first of all, if you wanted to, you could switch accounts. And that would just take you back to the login screen, and you could log out and go through the whole process again. But for right now, I'm going to show how you could update your profile and change everything. So you can, there's a couple ways to do it, but I think the easiest is to just click this button here and then edit your profile. And you can see we can change our biographical information here. So I'll just set it to Hello World. And you can change your profile photo, just like this. And you can do the same with your cover photo, just the same way. And then we can go ahead and update our profile. And now you can see this is our new profile here that we've made. So that's just a little glimpse into how to do that. We can also go at any time and click either the logo or this LiveStock button here, and that will also take us back to the home page here. And you can see the message here. Now we can click here to visit the home page and actually show a little bit of what we've done for the website. So it'll take a second for this to load in, but a couple of things that you can see here. These are the stocks that we're following. So if you remember, we limited it to each user can only follow 5 stocks. So you can see the 5 stocks here. It has the price along with the sentiment score that we calculated, all right here in a little custom dashboard. I'll give you a second to look at that information. And then you can also see we have a little ticker along the bottom here, which you can interact with and view more information about the stock. And it'll just scroll along and display the price, kind of like you'd see on any other website. And this is sort of the main homepage that we have for the website. And then there are a couple of other things that we could go to. So you see this menu up at the top here. First of all, we could go back into the profile stuff if we click on this, but I've already showed that. So I'll show you next the about. It's just a quick little paragraph here sort of describing what our website is all about so that people who are new to the website can come and check it out. Another thing I'd like to point out is up at the top here, you can see each page sort of has its own name here. So this one's about LiveStock. If we go back home, you can see it changed to home and we're back here. And then the other thing that we can do is if we wanted to see more information about the individual stock, we could click on search stocks and find whatever one that we're looking for. I'm going to show a couple different ones here. Starting off with Apple. If we click on it, we can find out more information. And you can see here we have another table here, which basically just shows the sentiment score and the price, just like before, with the updated score and everything. And then we have an interactable chart here. And we can change this if we wanted to see just what it's doing today, or if we wanted to go all the way back. You know, there's different stuff that we can do with it just to give insights and help the user compare the stock price to how the sentiment is doing. And then we also included news here, so you can see different Apple News articles that have been posted, and hopefully get some information that way as well. We can always, it's just like any other website, so we can always just click back, or we could click on the home. And it's the same thing for all of these. So if we wanted to look at all down at Disney here at the bottom, you can see it's going to do the same thing. It's going to have Disney, it's going to have the sentiment score and the price. It's going to have the chart, same as before. We can, look at the different data. And then we can also read up on the news articles. If we wanted to click on an article here, it would take us directly to it. And if we wanted to click on some of this other stuff, for instance, if we go back home, and if we click on the ticker, say we wanted to hear more about Amazon, we could click on that. And it would take us to the Amazon, and we could get some page, and we could get some more insights like that. And I think that basically wraps up our website. There was one other thing that I wanted to show quickly. So say this is an account, this is a tab where I have not logged in. So you can see this is what it would look like if I wasn't already logged in. It would give you this, it would prompt you to enter your username and password. In this case, say I was a new user, I wouldn't have that. So we can click on back and we can actually register. And here you can see it just asks for some registration information. So if I wanted to create a new user, I could say, fill out this information here. And I could register. And I didn't enter a valid password. Okay. Bear with me, please. Okay, and now you can see I'm registered. And here I could add to my profile and include the bio and stuff like before. And now that I'm logged in, I could see the different stocks, and I could go through and follow them and do all the different stuff that I showed before. I could read more about it. I could go here and see what the entire market is doing, or click on any of those other stocks and see exactly what I wanted to. So hopefully this shows just another, I guess, gives you another overview of something that we were able to implement. And I think that covers almost everything that I wanted to show in our website. So thank you for watching, and go blue.